Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the SEO writing assistant. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The Semrush SEO Writing Assistant, or SWA, helps to create optimized, high-quality content by providing real-time suggestions for SEO, readability, and originality. So once you are logged in on your account here on Semrush, there are three ways, three ways to use the SWA tool. Number one is directly in the Semrush platform, wherein you just have to hover to the content marketing toolkit right here. You see this? If you can't see it, you might want to click the drop down menu, and there is the SEO Writing Assistant. I want you to click on it. Now here, all you have to do is, for example, if you needed to complete briefs with customization and articles online, try the new SEO brief generator by Content Shake AI and Rank High. All right. Now, for example, we have discussed in the previous video about the specific ways for you to utilize the Semrush on creating a marketing strategy for Reddit. We have used this specific keyword, so you might want to check that because this is kind of like a part 2. All right. Now, you can basically press this quick check if you wanted. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. This is the SEO Writing Assistant. All right. Now, this is going to be like creating a new project right here that we want to work with the content that we're on. Now, here you might want to define the target words you want to optimize for. This is crucial as the suggestions will be tailored to these keywords. All right. Now, if you wanted to add, for example, specific keywords that you have previously worked with. Now we have a separate video on how to use the research tool or topic tool that you might want to check in our channel. But here, what you can do is just click the compose section. All right. But you need to get the full access to the content platform with the Guru plan. If you don't have that, you might want to type in your own content. For example, I'm going to use ChatGPT, for instance, to write a content for me. All right. So let me do that for now. This is just to help me, because if you don't have the pro plan, all right, you don't have much options but to create your own content and then switch over here. Okay. Now on the targeted keywords, if you click this button, all right, you can change the keywords related to this. Readability, SEO, definitely. You can put in SEO, readability, originality, and tone of voice. You have all of these options. You can use now the smart writer to rephrase this newly composed information or content that you have worked or created from ChatGPT, or you can recompose this. You can also ask AI. You can use the tone of voice, right? You can check a different kind of voice if you want, like a passive, active, informational, or storytelling, or creative. You see, it's kind of like 0.01, all right? That means it's not strong enough. It's weak compared to the what Semrush can offer you using the SEO Writing Assistant. Now, in this section, if you click the Start Now, you would be forwarded here in this section. That's the Content Shake. But again, it requires you to avail the subscription of Pro Plan. If you don't want that, just hover back again, wherein you can use the share button. All right. And move to Google Docs. Now, this will allow you to share docs with their colleagues, maybe if you're working with their client or using the SEO Writing Assistant and add-on. Install the add-on to keep using the SWA functionality. If you click the Move Document, there's going to be a small pop-up window that it asks you to allow Semrush SEO Writing Assistant to access your Google account. All I'm going to do is click on Continue. All right, it'll take a little while depending on the and then now you can open the document if you wanted. All right, so copy this, or you can copy that link, send it to your client or to your team members or the SEO master that you're working with. Open the document if you want. And from here, obviously, you can try to work your way out. You can utilize some of the keyword generators or the keyword optimization from the Semrush. All right, so analyze new checks if you wanted. Get recommendations if you want, and enter keywords. If, for example, this is going to be Reddit, trending, SWA, SEO. It's our channel. And optimize. You see, you have like 7 out of 30. You can provide targeted keywords and get ideas based on your competitors' content. All right, that's for the content check. We have a separate video for the SEO content template, but it's also it's not part of the SEO writing assistant, but I'm just showing you that they have many options here. All right, so click on the get recommendations if you want. Now you have these: readability, SEO, originality, and the tone of voice. Again, on the Smart Writer, you see the readability, your article has no headline, which is this one. You might want to improve that. All right. Your text is well optimized for your target readability. You can fix other issues for even better. You know, you see this. If you click this button to simplify, so I suggest you upgrade to the plan. As you can see, the score definition is kind of like fairly difficult because the words that I have here is like a 300, but the target is 1000, right? So you need to try to match the recommended value, which is an average for your Google top 10 competitors. Reading time is around 1 minute. So you might want to make sure that you increase the information here to at least 1000 because it's kind of weak right now. You don't have the headline. That's why for you to be able to complete briefs with customization and articles outline, you try the SEO brief generator. All right, it's not free, but of course it'll do you wonders. And again, just go to our previous videos on how to use these SEO tools: traffic analytics, keyword gap, backlink, and keyword magic tool to make your content more fluid, SEO friendly, plus by utilizing the SEO writing assistant. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.